You've learned the basics of strings, but are you ready to unlock their true power? Python offers a suite of advanced methods that let you search, modify, and format text with surgical precision. Stop wrestling with text and start mastering it. Let's dive in. Let's use a practical example. Imagine you're building an app. Every time a user posts a comment, your back-end code needs to process it. Need to check if a comment contains a specific word from a block list? Your back-end code uses .find to search for it instantly. Want to automatically censor certain words? It uses .replace to swap them with asterisks. Need to check if something exists in a string? Use the find method to locate the starting index. If the substring isn't found, it safely returns -1. No error, just a signal. Want stricter behavior? Use .index instead. But be careful, it raises an error if the word isn't found. Need to know how many times a substring appears? The .count method does just that. It scans the string and returns a total count of all non-overlapping occurrences. It's simple, fast, and incredibly useful. .count doesn't overlap, so is in Mississippi appears twice, not 3 times. It's ideal when tracking keyword frequency. Split and .join are a powerful duo for restructuring strings. Split breaks a string into a list of smaller strings using a separator. It's perfect for parsing data. Join does the reverse. The join method in Python allows you to place a specified separator between each character or element of an iterable, such as a string. This is especially handy for creating formatted text with consistent spacing or delimiter usage. For validation, .startswith and .endswith are essential. They check if a string begins or ends with a specific sequence of characters and return a simple true or false. This is the standard way to check file types, URL schemes, or any other fixed format text. Need consistent formatting for things like invoice numbers, employee IDs, or ticket codes? The zfill method makes sure all numbers are padded with leading zeros to a fixed length. It's clean, readable, and essential for data alignment. From searching and replacing to splitting and formatting, you now have the tools to handle any text processing challenge. Ready to put it to the test? Try the find position of a word problem on CodeChef to practice these methods on a real-world task. You now know how to master strings in Python. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.